rangsina bhavan adonbari kasalam japan long ekisom Balipathar Paglangsu LP School along block level neighborhood youth parliament Kangni. Chief Minister Football Champion Tournament T Tribes Kachipati Kijun. Morning news aralong pen kado kowe phanta kardom pajoriklo nunar jiponik tham biotang ton pen lamet guru mat asom sahitya sabha mai phubarim rongbong terang ari deng pen thang thang khri si arni lurulang so rangsna bhavan adonwari kasalam japan longi somsi sayamo pangcheng Harughat ame karmati than bang karlitang shiva hendikoy phan kachikimo japan si aspo bikrom hendikoy danwari kasalam japan dihin bajir long e kesom amai long lamet lamchong aphan kaching hona bang pu bang phetum chitong dun rinti
Junto handling political
Bogojan subdivision Balipathar Paglangsu LP School long thang thang Krisi Arni block level neighborhood youth parliament padupusi kadnislang birtanangli Dhonsing rong party phem pupon amai long Bogojan blogang kang club kapangtang rong rup kapaklarasai sarkari gaung bura phan kapangtang thu jalam chepari jutang jubat kapang cholong owe kimiatum kachirab dunang jalam ta mailong chingbai klong paledam youth parliament amai long HDP TGC chunmang song be Paglangsu LP School than bang ke hoy Mohendro Tokpi sarkari gaung bura chondro ingtipen chenglok pin an ke theke dinga bang phubang phetum chitong dun rinti West Karbi Anglong Jengkha KCS Penta 44th Karbi Youth Festival long Kachipati Japan Jasik Chadang Bom Lupusi Nilituma Pherangke Kat News along Birtanangli Jengkha KCS Zonal Pen KCS Central Committee Aphan Dihin Nanglo da Praksi Kimechi Pusi Pachata
Ingdeng pli kebra pli labangso Karbi risonim surong aje labangso pining katalona longkan niltum Jengkha Jones Penta labangso long Kachipati dunmate kapale duni phan dum ke Jasik Chadang bang do bom lo lapen bangso lo da bangke ke ong dung labangso Karbi jutang jubat ka chinghon lamlun kan chinglok khe ga chinghon labangso ke doan atuma bangke labangso long charap chitu dun pasonte nil tum ningarong la pen charap chitu je phansin tum hin pen kadu we phanta chuning riglo
nan malam sopor pandhina parman biar tamang to pariksana Kaziranga English Academy future flourishes here opposite ISBT Karchuk Guwahati, an English medium co-educational fully residential 10+12 school affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Spot admission for the classes 3 to 9 for the session 2018 and 19 for class 11 for the month of April 2018. Please do visit Singhasan Hotel on 13th of February 2018 from 10 a.m. onwards. And for more details, please contact at the number given on screen. Aturkimi Academy, Rukasen Amlapati, D4 782460, affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Admission open Montessori up to class 9. Issue of prospectus and admission form from 1st of December 2017. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, audio-visual teaching aid with projector, smart class, Next Education Inter Private Limited, arts and dance classes, etc. Montessori classes will start from 1st week of January 2018. For admission details, please contact 03671 273084 or 7896 971 592 or 8724068454 or 8472091283.
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Uy laki ahiring tangrak anlo ong dunga tuma pran kidam ta du uta haipo
Nonjong itong gaham kimchi phansi jitam bomlo. Nongi pray to duklo.
Nilita hem gimi kim bomlo.
Sita lahai alamen asapta nili mathate athema nili hemalong extra kipi dundo athe nili hem ki malongge Tata Tiscon SD bar pensi kimponlo
Tata Tiscon SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texture a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Tiscon SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason Selampon tanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesiri alang hiti gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang Theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, upthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Din amo pipothar bir talong wang thulo West Karbi Anglong Hamren Golf Higher Secondary School along thang Chris Arni Deputy Commissioner Sa Hemalong Junior Assistant Avoreng Kapaplang Japan Ketoka Satlang Padu La Sovoreng Apan Kado Kawi Kachuning Rialo Kejok Bang Paru Hina Toxic Kebra Kethom Hamren District along Kela Sovoreng Apan Ketoka Satlang Kipado Kecheng Silang Posik Pena Ancherok Toka Bang Pumar Chithan Rinti Bachalang Sopen Jasoning Nang Kilo Birta Langhina long Arco Incoraner Cap Arni Pen Kapang Cheng All Karbi Anglong Chief Minister Football Championship Kachipate thang Crazy Arni Pajut Pontanglo Kachipate Harukhara Sor Bogotana Sorapan Ball Pumni Thaps Angdung Kiti Anong Chipalong Kachipate Kethegnai Nong e Harukhara Bang Purupom Topopan Trophy Pajer Angdung Kiti Kachipate along MLA Banghini Sumrong Hanglapen Numo Momin Pen and Part Harukhat Subdivision SDO Chitongdun Birta Bangkila Pansikang Tonpon Iglo, Langbom Tekan News Channel, Domitang Me Kurwang 2.